am the carrot, crunchy and bright orange. I am the potato. I'm everyone's best friend. I am the radish. I'm white, zesty, and crisp.
I am the beetroot, deep red and earthy.
I am the spinach, green and leafy. I am the lettuce, cool, light, and leafy. I am the tomato, bright, red, and juicy. I am the onion. I have many layers. I am the capsicum. I come in green, red, and yellow. I am the cucumber. I'm mostly made of water.
I am the pumpkin, big, round, and orange.